Step 4, create a high converting sales page. Most beginners stop after creating the product. That's a mistake. People don't buy products, they buy solutions. Go back to Claude, paste this prompt. Write a high converting sales page for this digital product. Include a powerful headlines, the problems it solves, who is for, what's included, the benefits, testimonial section, questions and answers, pricing, and a strong call to action. Now you have a professional sales page that explains exactly why someone should buy your product. A great sales page can sell your product even if you have a small audience. Step 5, upload your product. Now go to Nestuge, create your free account, upload your PDF, paste your sales page, set your price, click publish. Congratulations, your digital product is now live and ready to sell. Step 6, create content. Now it's time to get people to see your product. Create content for Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, YouTube Shorts. Talk about the problem your product solves. Share tips, answer common questions, build trust before asking for the sales. You don't even have to show your face if you don't want. Step 7, automate your sales. Instead of replying to every comment manually, use ManyChat. Tell people to comment keywords like bundle. ManyChat automatically send them your product link. Now your content works for you 24 hours a day. Step 8, scale with Facebook and Instagram ad. Once you have made a few sales organically, it's time to scale. Create a simple video about your product or use one of your best performing Instagram reels. Open Meta Ads Manager. Choose your objective. Set a small daily budget. Even $5 to $10 a day is enough to start testing. Target people interested in your niche. Send them to your sales page or have them comment a keyword like bundle. Then let ManyChat automatically send the product link. Then watch your results. Keep the ads that brings sales. Turn off the ones that don't. As your profit grows, increase your budget. That's how you build a scalable online business. The truth is that here is what I have learned. You don't need thousands of followers, expensive equipment, a marketing degree, perfect videos. You need a valuable product, a strong sales page, consistent content, a simple sales system, and when you are ready, a little ad to reach even more people. That's exactly what I teach my students. If you're ready to create your first digital product, comment bundle. I'll send you my beginner digital product starter bundle for just $14. Inside you will get 177 digital product ideas, 550 plus ChatGPT prompts, and a 7-day beginner digital product starter guide. Everything you need to create, launch, and sell your first digital product. Or if you would rather build your business with me personally, comment AI. I will send you details about my 4 hours one-on-one AI coaching section. During our sections, we will build your niche, your digital product, your sales page, your Nestuge store, your ManyChat automation, your content strategy, your first Meta ad campaign. By the end of the section, we will have a complete online business ready to grow. Link in my bio. Thank you.